Namaste everyone. Today in this tutorial you are going to learn about VLOOKUP combination with match function. Now in last video we have discussed many of the things about the VLOOKUP function, and the similar situation we are going to see here. Here is the situation, the information of 5 people which we want here in this table too. Suppose in this section we typed already VLOOKUP equal to, okay, now you can see lookup value, table array and column index number. Earlier we calculated column index number with the help of row formula, but today in this video you will learn to calculate the column index number with the help of this match function, which is written here in parrot green ribbon. So let's get started. First of all, we will see the definition of match function, what it does. So let us suppose this is the situation here. I want the position of this CEO in this row, starting from this name Vijay till here. Okay, I want to check the position of CEO here starting from Vijay. Manually it is third position. Now here you can type match, okay, and then you can type simply CEO, and then lookup array will be this one row starting from here till here, okay, and then 0 for exact match. You can see it is third position. Now suppose we want the position of CEO here with respect to this column starting from this manager till manager. Now again match, type CEO in inverted commas, sorry, CEO. Then lookup array. Now in this situation lookup array starts from here to here. You can see 0, it is in second position from manager. You can see manager is in first, CEO belongs to second position. Now how match function helps us to calculate column index number, you can realize in this situation. You can see this age, designation and salary. I want their positions, their column index number in VLOOKUP. Now in this table, this age is in second, designation is in third and salary is in fourth position starting from here, name. And we will do it with the help of match formula. So let us first of all do it here. So equal to match and then lookup value. This is the lookup value. I want to look for age and lookup array. This is the lookup array, starts from here to here. And then for 0 for the exact match. Now age is in second, designation is in third and salary is in fourth. We can make it dynamic by making some of the changes. So you can fix this lookup arrays, select this, and I have told you to press F4 button. With the help of F4 it will apply the dollar subscript in front of all of them, and this table, this array will be locked. Okay, now we can drag this formula with the help of filler handle. This small plus sign is called as filler handle, this one. Okay, now 2, 3, 4, age, designation and salary. We want these column index numbers 2, 3, 4 here in this VLOOKUP formula. So let's do it. Now here name, if I will type any of the name here out of these 5, I want their information, but it would be difficult to type again and again. So for that I will create here a drop down list. Okay, so now select this cell and let us make the drop down. Now you can see when you select this data ribbon, okay, in this data tab you find an option which is called as data validation. Here if you want I can magnify it for you. Okay, now So here is the data validation. It is used for basically for creating the drop down list. Okay, so back to the situation again. Now click here and data validation. You will get this pop-up. You can see any value. From here you will choose list. Okay, now source. For source you can select all these 5 names starting from here to here. Okay, and press OK. So now you can see this symbol. It means that you have created a drop down, and when you click it here, you see all the 5 names you can write here. Now you don't need to type it manually again and again. You can just go on and select them. Now let's get the information of Mrityunjay here. Now VLOOKUP. Okay, lookup value. This is the lookup value. Now we want to fix it, so you press F4. So it is logged. Table array. This is the whole table array. Okay, fix it with the help of F4. Move on. Now column index number. Now you have seen that here we have learned the match formula. For column index number, we will use match formula here. We will nest it inside the VLOOKUP. Lookup value. Now here in this case, lookup value is age. We want the position of age in this blue ribbon here in this table 1. So this is the lookup value. F4. No, sorry, no need to press F4 because we want to make it dynamic. So select it. Now lookup array. Start from here to salary. So this is your lookup array because we want to check age, the position of age here in this blue ribbon, which is in second. So this you have to fix it because it is not going to change, and then 0. Now you can select this particular match and you can press F9. You have seen we pressed F9 always to check the value of a particular section of a formula. So it is 2. So that is what we wanted. Control Z and bring it in same position. Now we are in the syntax of VLOOKUP, and last is range. That is 0 again for exact match. Close the braces. Now this 4 formula is ready. You can see we have clubbed this match inside it. So here the age of Mrityunjay is 30. So drag it down. You got the information. And now keep on changing the values from here. Vijay, Ajay, and all that. I hope you understood the concept of match. If you didn't understood, then just watch the video again and like my video and share my video. We will meet in next tutorial. Thank you.